you probably can't tell with what it looks like right now, but spring is here ish. Hey, I'm gonna run this one. Hey, it's still yellow. Cool. All right. Hey, welcome back. It's Monday. Still stuff's coming up. This next weekend I've got another live coming up with friends. If I sound muffled, it's because I am. Well, I think I've used that line before. Anyway, yeah, it's a little cold this morning. It has been really nice last week, except for maybe one day. And then this morning it's back down to, on the clock it says 44 degrees. So good news is it's going to warm up the rest of the week. It'll rain by Friday, but it'll be mid 70s when it rains, so I can handle that. So I wanted to get out in time for end of April 25th. That's a Friday. I am leaving South Haven from the Southern Thunder Harley-Davidson dealer and going down to Natchez, Mississippi. Over the weekend, I will be making a Natchez Trace Parkway ride, Natchez Trace Trail. So again, leaving here on April 25th, going down to Natchez Saturday morning, leaving Natchez, heading up towards, I'll probably do an overnight in Tupelo. And I'm gonna take my ride on the take my time on the ride. I'm taking some scenic bypass. Not taking 55 down to Natchez. I'm going down a back road, going through like Greenville, Mississippi, going through the Crossroads. If you guys ever been to the Crossroads, that is, I've done a spot on the Crossroads before. That's where Robert Johnson allegedly sold his soul to the devil and became a better guitar player. In a time probably where the only way you could get famous was to practice really hard. Let's just say people were jealous and had to come up with different ways to explain why all of a sudden this guy was good. Couldn't have been practicing, that does no good. Although some people say when he was playing, it sounded like 2 or 3 people were playing with him. Maybe that's where the story of the devil went down to Georgia came from. I don't know. That was fiddles, this is guitars, but it is what it is. Urban legends are awesome because they hang around forever and you can't prove them and you can't disprove them. So anyway, we'll be going through that part. I'm sure we'll be making a stop at the Crossroads. It's a little off of the road that I'm taking down there, but only by like 5 miles. So I will be heading down that way because I can. Every time I take these trips, I'm like, oh, I'm going to stop there next time. Well, I'm going to stop there next time. Well, this time, by God, I'm stopping. There's things I want to see. The scenic bypass, if you guys have never heard of the Natchez Trace Parkway, it's a 2-lane road, no trucks allowed. Well, I mean, I guess you can put your pickup on it if you want to, but no big semi trucks. The speed limit is between, I believe, 45, 55 miles an hour. I think there's a couple spots that's down to 40, but it's a nice scenic bypass, lots of overlooks. Shit looks great. And I want to do it. I've done parts of it before. When I went to JD in the Queen's service, I passed over probably 3 different places I could get on and off of it, and I was like, next time I'm getting on it. I'm getting on it next time. So it crosses 55 down in Jackson, Mississippi. It crosses 78 in Tupelo, and then it crosses almost 40 right outside Nashville. So plenty of places to jump on and off, and it's too big of a temptation, you know. I mean, you're just like, oh man, I really want to do this, I really want to ride, I really want to have a good time. And if it turns out to be a bust, I don't think it will. At least, you know, I got to go riding with some friends. So right now we're up to about 10 people that are going to go, which means by the time the date rolls around, we'll be down to probably 5, because that's the way these rides go. Anyway, hopefully there will be more than 5. If not, you know, between 5 and 10 is a perfect number for roads like this, especially when everybody's trying to get hotels and stuff. So it is what it is. All right, I'm getting towards the part of this trip where there's lots of traffic, so I'm gonna get off here and pay the road attention and leave you guys for a while. See you in a bit. And by a bit, I mean see you in like 9 hours when the sun's up. Okay. All right, guys. So I offered you another sunny ride home. Wouldn't want to disappoint. Sun's out now. Monday, work day Monday is over. Our spirits are lifted. We seem all right. We made it through another Monday. I put up the Natchez Trace ride on my Facebook page, and I've got it on my Discord. So if you guys do plan on making it to the ride, just let me know. That way I can, I won't make your hotel reservations for you, but I will know to be looking for you. Make sure you don't get left behind. So chime in either in bottom of this video, the Discord, or my Facebook page, where I actually have an event set up on the Facebook page. You can chime in and tell me whether you're going to be there or not. That way I can call some of these places that I plan on stopping at. I know this probably doesn't mean anything in the grand scheme of things, but sure is fun driving a motorcycle. That's all I have to say about that. Well, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell. While you're at it, go to my Patreon page. It's free. If you want to drop a couple bucks, that'd be cool. I wouldn't mind at all. Pick up a t-shirt. Go over to my Spreadshirt shop. And some coffee mugs. And I guess it's time to do a Patreon of the month, but well, let me get some more Patreons in. I opened up my Patreon to be free. I'll have a lot of people join, which I don't mind. I'm thinking about doing some special stuff just for the paying Patreon customers. And figuring to give people a chance to join, try it out, see if you like it. I try to be open and engaging on there, but I do think I need to do special stuff just for the guys that pay. So that is coming. Fair warning. I do actually have more free Patreons than I do paying ones, which, like I said, I don't mind. Get on my Patreon, get on my Discord, get on my Facebook, and definitely subscribe. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next time, and don't forget, let me know if you're going to go to the April Natchez Trace ride with me. I would be very grateful if you did. Alright guys, catch you next time. This Saturday, believe it would be March the 15th, Release the Beast. There's another fundraiser for Release the Beast at Southern Thunder Harley Davidson. There's going to be a car show, motorcycle show, prizes for cars and motorcycles, and I'm sure there's always food, there's always drinks, there's always motorcycles. I might even bring mine up. I might bring Juniper up. She ain't no prize winning motorcycle, but she's pretty and fun to look at. So I'm going to bring her up there. And let's just raise some money for Release the Beast. Girls got to have some treatments, and they're very expensive. Come out, help raise some money. She's got some experimental treatments to do that they'll do there, but they won't do here. And it's going to take quite a bit of money to get them. So if you've got Saturday off, which most of you do, don't lie, and you've got about 10-20 bucks to donate, show up down there, donate some money. If you bump into me, I'll give you some stickers. Make sure you ask for a sticker. Alright guys, I swear to God, now that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, bell, you know what to do. And I will talk to you guys next time. See ya.